The other day, my friend Marmite Man reached out and said, hey, there's a Dawid Easter egg in the new PC Build Simulator expansion, which obviously got me very excited. So today, I'm gonna go find my Easter egg in the game, and we're gonna try out the new expansion, you know, just generally have some PC building simulator fun. Oh, the new IT expansion looks real fancy. You've got a loft-looking apartment here. Yeah, that is a big upgrade over the previous office. It's new game and see what happens. Yeah, I'm excited. Have you played PC Build Simulator before? Yes, I am in fact a pro. Are these motivational posters? I don't know if that's what that counts as. Ooh, we've got a nice whole bunch of workstations set up here. And then outside, we've got a beautiful little garden. Oh, whoa, this is a huge upgrade. I would actually love an office like this. I'm not gonna lie, this would make a really good Dawid Does Tech Stuff office. But anyway, with that, let's check our emails and see what work they need us to do. Oh, I actually have used this wallpaper in some of my videos before, so that's pretty funny. I wonder if they paid for the rights to use it. Or maybe I shouldn't mention that. Fresh meat, yummy, that's always exciting. Here is our first job. Oh, it is disgusting. There seems to be fungus growing on it for some reason. Whoa, if only it was this easy to clean a PC in real life, that would be that would be amazing. Now, I do immediately spot an issue with this system. The RAM configuration seems to be a problem. I mean, it is a more Tony motherboard, so maybe they have their RAM slot channels different. I don't know. The game seems to think it's fine. You can see that their their production budget has definitely increased. He wants us to delete this, which is data mine and cookbooks. This is clearly the company's embezzlement specialist that now wants me to destroy all the evidence of their embezzlements. And then they just want their very above-the-board finance software now, as opposed to their embezzlement software. Are we good? Is that all we need to do? Yes. Okay, so we can just rip it out. Very irresponsibly rip the system out like that. Matt the Embezzler does seem to have a really good taste in PC cases. I love that fractal design case. And with that... Hey, we're good, we're good. With that, I think that's our day. I mean, I don't know where my face is. I actually don't think I have access to the thing yet that allows me to buy me. I don't think so. So let's go to the next day and see. Matt the Embezzlement Specialist now needs Clean It Pro run. I wonder what he's... This person shouldn't be allowed to have a PC. At least this problem doesn't seem to make us culpable in embezzlement. Now, in previous videos, I've made fun of similar kinds of software before, and people got very angry. So in today's video, I'm not gonna say anything controversial about about disk cleaning software. Okay, and then this is the next PC. It's Ira, has a broken PSU, so we do need to replace that. So that power supply is a Cooler Master MWE 550. So let's go order one of those for tomorrow. I still don't think I have access to the studio aesthetic shop where you buy trinkets for the shop, because I think that's where I'm hiding. So we're gonna play a little bit and see if I unlock that. Before I get to all of that stuff, I am going to just replace this power supply. And it's auto cabled up and everything. That's a pretty fancy office system. Okay, we're good. Okay, we're done. Awesome. Wait, no, but he's emailed us again. Matt is a huge liability to this company. What kind of animal sends their PC to the IT department to have just image processing software installed on it? Do it yourself, Matt. Oh, although he may need a hardware upgrade for it as well. So maybe I got angry at Matt a little bit too soon here. Insufficient system resources. We just need a graphics card upgrade. Okay. That's easy enough. They said a 1050 Ti, right? Yeah, I'm just gonna buy him the cheapest 1050 Ti. $155 for a 1050 Ti. I wish that was considered expensive, but it's not anymore. So now let's have a look at Dennis. Oh, Dennis Costco. He's clearly from the infamous Costco family. Ooh, Dennis has a beautiful PC. What graphics card is that? A 3090? And he's got a single 8GB stick of RAM in it! Dennis, you animal! Dennis needs to go to jail for this system. This is also a completely savage case to run a 3090 in because there's so little front airflow.
A few moments later.
Oh, I forgot to run clean it! Oh no! Oh, I messed up big time there. I'm so sorry, Dennis. I was so outraged by your memory configuration that I completely forgot to do all the things that I need to do with your system. Catherine is the last person we're gonna service today. What do you mean disappointed I didn't improve your network connection? Ask for it next time. I love how PC Build Simulator really captures the mundanity of being an IT support person. It's like a person asks you to do a thing, you do it, and then they complain about how you didn't sense through the ether that they had other problems. I feel like this is... I've never worked in IT, but I can imagine that this is quite a realistic experience. CPU cooling... Oh. I can't remember which one's whose. Does that look right? I forgot which cooler belonged to which system. Oh no, I am a terrible, terrible IT technician. Does that look right? Okay, whatever, that'll do. We're going to install a graphics card. It doesn't. Apparently that fits, and that's definitely an upgrade over a 1060. Okay, whatever. Apparently they're getting a used RX 560. Oh, I forgot the virus scan. Anyway, whatever. They're still relatively happy with it. They're also not Aw, typo! I am really bad at this, is all I can say. Clearly terrible at my job. So all I need to do is uninstall that crap, and then we're gonna hit level 3, and then maybe we unlock aesthetics. Yay! Someone was actually very happy. I may not be real, but your skills sure are. Now at this point, I spent ages fixing PCs for the whiniest bunch of employees ever, until I finally got to the point where I unlocked the Decor app. I ended up having to go back to the embezzlement specialist's house like 5 times. And funnily enough, it's actually the embezzlement specialist that gave me the box that unlocked the Decor app, which I think is it's kind of funny. Hey, here it is. We have finally unlocked the Decor pack. You've just received your first collectible item. So it goes here. Check out our new official Decor app. Okay, we are immediately going to buy Dawid Decor. So we're gonna go in here. We can buy all of this lame loser crap. No one cares about any of this. What we're looking for is the Dawid stuff, which I think, if I'm not mistaken... Wait, have I still not unlocked it? It seems like you slowly unlock more of this stuff. They really make you work for me, don't they? Which actually kind of makes me feel pretty good, because it means that you really have to work hard to get to the me bit. Now, after what I consider the third major disappointment of this video, I actually went back to Marmite Man and asked him if he could use his uber high-level PC building simulator account to do some screen capturing. So let's have a look at what is definitely the most desirable bit of decor in PC Building Simulator's history. Now, once you hit PC Build Simulator Tycoon level, like Marmite Man has here, you will unlock the ultimate Easter egg in this game, the PC Whiz magazine. Oh yeah, check it out. Where PCs meet smooth jazz. That actually sounds more like a description of Craft Computing's channel, but whatever. Dream PC, and look, it's actually the Golden Field system that I built. I'm actually really flattered that the developers decided to use my stupid mug for the best PC magazine in the game, PC Wiz. Anyway, with that, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. And until the next video, bye-bye.